Okay, let's talk about the Kodak Slice camera. This is Kodak point and shoot camera with a large touchscreen digital screen. But one of the issues that I want to mention is how do you get your pictures off the camera? Now, they discontinued the EC Share software, which was what you used to connect to your PC and get the pictures off that way, but that's not available anymore. Since 2012, Kodak has no longer supported that software anymore, and you can't find it. But you're in luck today, because if you have your pictures in the micro SD card, here's the micro SD card, you'll be able to get your pictures off the micro SD card by connecting it to a card reader. So today I'm going to demonstrate the Benfei card reader. This is a multi-card reader. It's got different sections here that you can do different types of memory cards, including micro SD card, which I have in my hand. So there's a slot for it right there. So all we're simply going to do is we're going to connect our SD card to it. Okay, we're going to put it in there, and then now we're going to be able to go into the files within our PC. I'll show you how to do that in a few seconds here. And we're going to go into the USB drive, which is now being read by my PC. You can see the light is blinking, meaning that it's accessing the card, and then we'll be able to get our pictures and save them onto the PC that way. That's exactly how we're going to do that. Okay, once we're inside, we're going to go into the DCMI, which is right here. We're going to click on that, and then we know that our pictures are right here inside the slice. Okay, so here are our pictures, okay, within the SD card of the camera that we just pulled out. Okay, and that's how you'll be able to get to your photos that way. Now, the other issue that I haven't been able to resolve, and if you guys can shed a light on it, is what if you have pictures in the internal memory of the camera? Well, that's another issue, and I haven't been able to figure that one out yet. Even when I connect the USB cable that came with the camera, when I connected, Windows 11 would not read the camera. So I haven't been able to figure out that yet. But if you have an SD card, that's exactly how you will access those photographs. So there you go. Let me know if you enjoyed this. If you want to watch another video regarding cameras, all digital cameras, Kodak, then check out this video right here.